Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Louisa, you are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and for today's video I want to do a little get ready with me where I will be doing my hair while talking with you about different subjects. We're going to talk about what's coming up in my channel for the month of July. We're going to talk about my trip to France, which is related to the month of July. And then I'm going to update you guys on my my current situation after the miscarriage. How am I doing? How, you know, things are going physically and mentally. And then voila, and then whatever pops into my head and I want to share with you. I'm going to try to make this short. But yeah, I'm doing my hair, so it's gonna take a minute. So I suggest that you get comfortable, get a snack, get a drink, or maybe just do your hair with me. That'll be fun. And then let's get this party started. So today I'm gonna use two of my favorite products. I'm gonna mix Jessie Curl styling gel with the Curlsmith Moisture Memory Reactivator. So use this as a leave-in conditioner and this as a gel, and we'll see how this combo is gonna work. But I have a good feeling. Right now my hair is cleansed with some Bouclem moisture cleanser. I don't remember the name. And I'm ready to go. So okay, so in about a week from now, Ella and I are going to our annual trip to France. We're gonna spend the whole month of July there, and Nigel will be joining us the last 10 days of our trip, and then we'll all be going home together. So by the time you see this video, I'll probably already be in France. I'm trying to film this a little bit early so I can have a week or so to kind of like chill when I get in France. I don't have to worry about filming a video right away. And then usually once I'm there, I vlog my month of vacation, but this year I'm not sure I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna keep it one video a week, and then, you know, keep talking about hair, skin product, beauty stuff. I've been doing a lot of hair stuff lately. Like a lot. Like my hair is really turning in my hair. Like my channel is really turning into like a curly hair only channel. But here's the deal. This channel is about what I like, what I enjoy in the moment. And right now I've been loving trying different products, discovering different products, and showing you guys the result and all that. So, you know, I'm gonna keep doing this probably through the summer. It will be interesting, I think, to try some French products. I had a few viewers, French viewers, who recommended me a couple brands that I'm definitely gonna try. Okay, the other thing that's super exciting is that I am going to see my hairstylist Thierry, who's been doing my hair since I'm 16 or 17 years old. He's a dear friend of mine. But anyways, he's gonna be doing my hair, and that's the time of the year where I get my highlights done. I only do my highlights once a year, and it's usually Thierry, my French hairstylist, who does that. So I'll probably be vlogging this, so like I did last year, and that will probably be one of my videos of July. So again, stay tuned for that because it only happens once a year. As far as the highlights, I like to go very natural. I like to have two different colors in my hair, one of a honey tone and then another one, I don't even know what he does, but he does it very well. And I don't like to have it started at the roots. I like to have it started a little bit further back, and then he's probably gonna cut the ends also a little bit, just to, you know, refresh my tips, because they tend to get dry and to break really easily. So yeah, as far as my hair length, I am super happy because I feel like I'm back to the length I had before I cut my hair back in March. So it took me what, Mars, Avril, May, Juin. It took me 3 months to get my length back, and she didn't even cut that much back then. I will link the video right there for you to see what I'm talking about. That was another get ready with me video where I was showing my hairstyle after cutting my hair for the first time since the previous summer, since Thierry cut my hair last summer. So yeah, so that's it for, I think, what to expect on my channel this summer. I don't think I'm gonna vlog my vacation. I'm just gonna do like my regular hair tutorial, hair product reviews, skincare things, and I think I'm gonna focus a little bit more on the French way, on how French girls are doing their thing, trying French products. Now I know that those are products that you guys won't necessarily find in America, but I think it's always interesting to see what other culture have and what they work with, you know. So yeah, that's that. Can we talk about the Demon brush for a second? Oh my gosh. All right, so I bought the Demon brush about a year ago because everybody was like talking about it, and there was just too many videos on it. I was like, I need to try this thing because I don't get it, you know. And it's supposed to help with the curl definition. I'm sure you guys saw plenty of videos about Demon brushes, and I refused to make a video about it because there was way too many videos out there about Demon brush. So I just bought it to try and see what the fuss was all about. And well, to be honest, I don't believe that it does a good job at making curls for me. I think my hair is too fine and too fine, and it's just not working for me. But it does an awesome job at distributing the product throughout my hair. So I've been using the Demon brush not so much for the curl definition, but to distribute the product all over my hair evenly, and it helps actually with the frizz. So yeah, that's that for me. That's my mini review on the Demon brush for you guys. Okay, now let's talk about me and how I've been since the miscarriage. Physically, first of all, the first week after miscarrying was just a heavy period. I bled for a whole week non-stop. Usually my period lasts 4 days with 2 days of heavy bleeding. This one was like pretty heavy, which was expected, you know. And then I was done. Oh, but where you come from? Where are you hiding? This one was just hiding on the other side here. Look at you. Where am I gonna put you? I'm gonna put you there. So yeah, heavy bleeding, and then it stopped. And then after the week after that, I was bloated and I was in pain, and I thought I had like a cyst or something in there. It felt really heavy, bloated. I had some days I had to take medication because, you know, some pants I couldn't close. And on top of this, I'm a fit model, which means that I try clothes for a living. That's my job, trying clothes. So when you're bloated like that, where to the point where your own clothes won't close, it's a little bit of a problem. So I ended up buying a special underwear to help me through that week of being bloated. And it's from the brand Spandex. And really what it does, it's a G-string, because I can't really have underwear marks. Like I have to wear thongs or G-strings to work. And then it's a high-waisted it's a high-waisted G-string. The high waist part sucks everything in, which helped a lot with the weight. I mean, with the bloating. But since, you know, everything down there was kind of getting back to normal, kind of shrinking, it was a little bit painful. Kind of like after you give birth, you know, at the end of the day. It's kind of like that, like but it's way shorter and not as painful as it would be after a 9-month pregnancy. So yeah, that was annoying. What did I do to help my body go through this? I did a lot of what you call it, castor oil massage and castor oil pack, where I would massage castor oil on my lower belly, and I would put a heat pack on it for about an hour, and then I did this like 2 to 3 times throughout the week, and it helped. And then I take supplements. I take maca roots, black cohosh, Vitex, which are all herbal supplement that helps with your reproductive system, help balancing the hormones, and all that. So since then I've been feeling great. This week was a very good week. There is barely any pain, barely any bloating. Unfortunately, I put on some weight, and I feel like this weight gain is hormone related, if that makes any sense. So I can't really stress too much about it. I'm watching my diet, I'm working out, and I'm trying not to be too stressed, which I've not been really stressed lately. And then voila, that's that for my physical state. Now my mental state, my mental state is good, is better every week. You know, the first 2 weeks, 10 days were a little bit hard because the hormones are starting to balance themselves, and until you get there, well, it's annoying. It's just not a good state of mind where you're like happy and joyful. No, it's more like a PMS state of mind for 2 weeks. It's annoying, but I was not depressed. I was not you know, I was not feeling down. I was just like, can we be done with all this already? I understand and knew what was going on in my body, because it's not my first time going through this. Therefore, I knew that my mental state was in linked to my hormones and all that. So I wasn't too worried about it. And also, I'm kind of like, I want to say I'm focused. I know that I will be pregnant again, and that I will have a healthy baby. There's nothing really to be stressed about. It's just give time to my body to process, be healthy, enjoy what I have right now, be thankful for what I have right now, because it's amazing. I have a beautiful family, an amazing kid, and then you know, one day we'll have another one, and that's as far as it goes. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty all for my mental state, my physical state. What's going on this summer? I'm super excited about going to France. It feels so good to go spend a whole month in France. Ella is going to be in summer camp for only a week this year, because we have so many things planned that she won't be able to stay any more than a week. And usually I try to put her at least 2 weeks, so that she really is immersed in the French culture. Like, mommy's not here to translate anything, and she has to speak French, and she has to mingle with everybody else. But you know what? I'll take that 1 week. It's better than nothing. As far as my schedule for the channel, it will be 1 video a week as usual. If I can make 2, I'll make 2. And yeah, that's that. I want you guys to tell me in the comments below if there's a particular video you would like me to do while I'm in France. Like I said earlier, I know that I'm gonna try a couple of French products. What I can tell you right now is that I will definitely take my Curlsmith and Jessie Curl with me, just to make sure that I have what I like in my hair. And then voila, that's it. Okay. All right, my loves, I think I am all set with the hairstyling. I'm gonna diffuse real quick, and then I'll be back in 1 second, okay? All right, this is it. this is the end result. I am really digging this combo JC Curl and Curlsmith Spiralicious and Memory Reactivator. They work really well together. My hair is like hydrated, lightweight. I don't really have a lot of frizz, you know. I'm liking this. I don't know how it's gonna evolve throughout the day. I didn't really separate my curls yet, but I don't think there's much today. I like it like that. Yeah, baby. I like it like that. Okay, I'm not gonna sing because it's already raining. I am done. One more thing I want to say is that I made a purchase last night that I am very excited about, and it's a designer bag. I've had my eyes on this bag since Christmas, to be honest. I just did not want to spend the money on it. It's a Coach bag, and I know for some people Coach is like BS, but well, that's not BS. I can't say it's BS. It's just not as luxurious as Louis Vuitton and all that. I like their style and I like their price point. And I've seen this, it's called the Parker bag. I've seen it since Christmas and I really wanted to buy it, but I just didn't find a good excuse to spend $350 on a tiny bag because I took the small one. And last night I was on the Coach website and I saw it and I was like, oh, I see myself at the airport with this bag on, you know. I was just like, and I called Nigel, I was like, should I get it? And he was like, yes, you should get it, you deserve it, you know, you work hard for your money after all the crap you went through, like get yourself the bag. So I was like, you know what, yes, I should get myself the bag, thank you, husband. And I did, and I'm so excited. I even paid extra to get it delivered tomorrow. So I think I want to do an unboxing. Let me know if you guys would like to see that. I know it's not beauty related, but I'm so excited about this bag. You know, when it's not so much of a impulsive buy where you have that quick rush and then it disappears real fast. It's been 6 months in the making and I'm finally getting it. So the excitement is even, it's like a kid waking up in the morning of Christmas kind of thing, you know? So yeah, I think I'm gonna make a video about that just to share with you my excitement. And because the bag is so pretty. And I also bought a couple stuff online, like clothing wise, so maybe I should do a little, I don't know, a little outfit of the summer video. Let me know if you guys want to see that from me. Yeah, let me know, and if you really want to see it, I'll make it for you. But that bag, I'm definitely going to show it off because it's really amazing. Anyways, I am done, you guys. I am done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was a little bit all over the place, but I think I got all of what I wanted to say out there. It was not prepared, so big mess, but whatever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments below if you have any idea of what you want me to do throughout the summer. I'll be happy to make it for you. If you want to remind me of something I said I was going to do and I never did, I should write them down. I'm so bad. But yeah, go ahead and tell me in the comments below, because this time I will make notes and make sure that I do videos that you guys want to see. Et puis voilà, that's it. Like, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.